Hitachi is over a 110-year-old company that operates globally. We focus on many industries and verticals where innovation is at the core, but more importantly, social innovation. I am Hisham Abdesamad. I'm the Chief Executive for Hitachi's Global Social Innovation business, as well as the Chairman of Hitachi America. What is social innovation? It's simply using innovation and technology to solve some big problems in society. I think of it as a small micro company inside of a very large organization that's building out solutions in a very agile way. A lot of the solutions that we work on have to align with our corporate and our strategic vision, which is about environmental value, social value, and economic value. We're focused on mobility and fleet. We're also focused on smart farming, manufacturing, energy, and then what we call outcome-based insurance. A lot of people ask me, how is social innovation business different? First of all, the makeup of our team. We're not just technology people, we're business people. I always say that we're not incubating for technology, we incubate for business outcomes and creating new business models. Partnerships are important, ecosystems are important. What we do is we focus on the problem, identify partners that can work with us, and then we bring our own innovation and combine together, we can really focus on solving that problem. We're trying to leverage technology to what we call powering good. We want to contribute and power good and do good in the world.